In the tropical forests of New Guinea, one male is dedicated to making an unforgettable first impression. The six-plumed bird of paradise is cleaning his display ground. He obsessively tidies every fallen leaf. His stage must be meticulously tidy for what will be an incredible performance. A few attractive berries to help decorate the floor. His final touch is hardly ever seen. Might he think he's found a bit of old snake skin? Some scientists believe he's trying to add the scent of a snake to ward off predators. For others, it's a cleaning cloth and he's polishing a perch for a female. Later, he uses a bigger bit of rag and does the same. Only strong, healthy and well-fed males can afford the time and effort for the most meticulous preparation, and in theory, they're the ones with better genes to pass on. He'll have a highly critical audience, so it's time to rehearse the main act. His dance steps perfected, he's ready to start the show for real. He spots a female nearby, so quickly goes to get more berries to tempt her in. Disaster! He's left his polishing rag on the dance floor. It's perfect for her nest. She flies off without even seeing his dance. He delivers his berries too late. He never got a chance to win her heart, and he lost his precious polishing cloth. Back to work.